Hey YouTube, today we've got a slightly different unboxing for you. Many of you don't believe that I actually buy Adidas, or is that Adidas shoes, but we actually have here, as you know by the title, the 3ST.004. Let's go and unbox it. Boom. Ooh, so that was the titles. We should probably change them. We haven't changed them for about 2 years. If this is the first time you've come to this channel, my name's Mr. B, and on this channel we tend to do sneaker unboxings. We do the cinematic on foot things. I think they're cinematic, I think they are. And we also stream on Sundays. We stream at about 8 PM UK time, 12 PM on the Pacific, and that's 3 PM on the East Coast. And what do we talk about when we stream? We talk about sneakers and stuff, and we chat with generally people who come and watch us every week. Come and join us. Let's get to the unboxing. Our regular people who come and join us know that I tend to just unbox Nike. You can see already, and this is for the Annex boys, look, it's 3 stripes. 3 stripes. What have we got here, SJ? We have got a 3ST.004 US 11 on Adidas, or Adidas, Adidas, I'm not sure which way. It's actually a UK 10.5, which is different to Nike and very confusing when you try them on. I actually bought these from Atlas in San Mateo. If we look here, SJ, hard launch date, February 07, 2019. The color is, according to the box, sea orange, sea black, and anything else really. I can't really read this. I'm so not used to reading an Adidas box. But we really don't care about what's on the box. We care about the shoe because I was really into these. And in fact, getting back to the colorway, it's a Collegiate orange white. Thanks Atlas for putting the sticker on because I didn't understand it from Adidas. We saw these online and we talked about them on Sneaker Streaming Sundays. I really like the profile of those. I went and got them on launch day. I didn't intend to, but I saw them, they had them in the shop window and I was like, oh my word, they are so nice. Let's get them out and let's get that out for you there, SJ, so you can see. Let's get rid of the box. What have we got first? First thing you're gonna notice is, yeah, it's suede. You've got the 3 stripes there. You've got boost, you've got enclosed boost. SJ, you can see this, can't you? We've got some boost here, and but it's enclosed. It's not exposed like on other shoes. It's really there to give it additional cushioning. Got this long midsole, and I really like this profile. This profile, everyone's gonna say doesn't look like this, but it reminds me of some old P-Rod 5s that I have. Grey, that I beat the absolute death out of. I absolutely love those shoes, and these kind of reminded me of. Got kind of like a discreet 3 stripes here. On the front, you've got, on the tongue, you've got the Adidas logo. I think what I really want to call out though is the quality of this suede. Now SJ, I don't know if you're picking that up. You can see it there, and this is actually pigskin suede. You can't say that quickly, pigskin. Pigskin suede, apparently. This lovely orange. And we come around here, and this is such a nice profile, and I can see why this is a skateboarding shoe. And if we look on the sole, it's nice. We've got the trifoil here. What's interesting about these shoes versus lots of other Adidas shoes, is it Adidas or Adidas, everyone? Let me know in the comments. I think it's from where you're from in the world as to how you say it. Most Adidas shoes, have the trifoil and the logo on the back. They don't have that. And I wonder if that is because Tyshawn Jones, who designed these, just didn't want it. He worked with Adidas on this. We've also got, I think this is nice. Now remember, I don't buy Adidas skate shoes, so I don't have any reference point. I've only got Nike SB reference points or Vans. The tongue is like on a Nike, which has got elasticated bits here. It has the same. And it's a slightly different material. It's not suede all the way up. We've got, if you have a look deep in there, SJ, you've got some mesh type material, which is again a nice touch. Just to prove that I'm fully multilingual, it says on the inside, the brand with 3 stripes, or in German, Da wird mark mit dein 3 Streifen. En français, les marques aux 3 bandes. And I can't read the Japanese, but have a look in there. That's what it says in there. Multilingual, people, multilingual. So SJ, as we hold this up and show the world, actually, you should take a look at that there. That's a banging shoe. SJ, sneaker cam. I know you were surprised when I came home with these. Very surprised, because it's 3 stripes. Do you like them? That's a casual.
I think they need to be seen on foot.
They do,
They remind me of the Wangs that you tried on in Kith last June.
I can see that. I can see that. Those were, in theory, basketball sneakers, but it's because of the contained boost, isn't it? They were, when I walked around the shop in them, super comfy. Super, super comfy, I can tell you that. Interesting thing as well is, just as a minor detail, if we go back in on Sneaker Cam, you see the little lip there at the back. I didn't really notice it in the shop, but you can see how this, rather than it just being a flat stop, it kind of goes like this. It just sticks out just a little bit, and we've got a little bit of support here as well, above the boost. It's a really sleek profile, and we've got the usual Adidas words in there, talking about 3 stripes. David Mark or try stripen. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. It's somewhere down here. And for all our regulars, if you haven't hit the notification bell, it's again somewhere down there. You want to just give it a bit of a ping, just because it will notify you. So world, let us know in the comments, everyone.
Alternate laces.
Oh, I nearly forgot. It is Saturday afternoon. It is a bit late in the day. SJ reminded me, there are alternate laces. The alternate laces are, they're black. I'm not feeling them. I'm not feeling the alternate laces. I much prefer this lovely, like, Adidas have called it Collegiate orange. I think it's, would you say it's more of a burnt orange? I'm really feeling orange shoes at the moment. I'm wearing those GT Blazers, the bruised peach from earlier, so I think November 2018? Was it November or December? Oh, October. Really October. But anyway, I've been wearing those a lot. I've been told that I'm turning them into beaters. I'm not. I'm just really, really liking them at the moment. Really, really feeling the orange shoe, the orange. Like, I just like the pop of colour. It could be that spring is on the way, and I'm just feeling that we need to get out of this drabness that is the British winter. Spring is coming, fellas. Everybody out there, I have seen flowers. I have seen them out there in the wild. Anyway, everyone, before I ramble on, all I just want to say is thanks for all the support over the last year or so, and we will see you probably in the next video, where we will be doing at some point an on foot with these, because as SJ says, you need to see them on foot. Anyway, folks, I'll see you later. Bye.
All right.
They look good on foot. They're really comfy. They're really light as well. Dog, do you like them? Yeah? Huxley? Up. Do you like them? Yeah? No? Okay. He's a Nike boy. He is. Anyway, I am going now.